Folks, writing an academic paper from scratch is genuinely hard. That blank page moment does not get easier with experience, no matter how many papers you have written before. I'm Daniel, and today we are looking at Textero, a study assistant that helps you get past that first wall and build a solid draft. I am going to walk you through the full workflow: draft generation, adding your own sources, running the detectors, and exporting the final version. By the end, you will know exactly what this tool does and whether it fits your process. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Mates, Textero is a web-based writing assistant built specifically for students and researchers. The core idea is responsible use. It helps you outline, draft, paraphrase, and summarize, but the final editing and critical thinking stay with you. What sets it apart from a basic writing tool is the source integration. Textero pulls real academic references through the Semantic Scholar database, so your drafts come with citations already embedded in APA or MLA format. That is a meaningful head start for any research paper. Folks, on top of drafting, the platform includes built-in AI detection, a plagiarism checker, and a paraphrasing tool. The free plan gives you 5 credits across all those features, and the premium one unlocks unlimited usage. Both plans include unlimited custom file uploads. Textero is also continuously improving as a platform. For instance, a Generate from Outline feature is expected soon. It will let you turn your own outline into a structured draft, giving you more control over how your paper is built. Okay, my friends, let's get into it. Here I am in the dashboard, and I am clicking Generate Essay. This is the main tool, and it is the perfect starting point when you are stuck or want to quickly map out your ideas. In the title field, I type in my research topic: the impact of bioluminescent architecture on urban environments. Next is the instruction field, and this is where context matters. I am asking the tool to analyze how this type of lighting reduces stress and supports pedestrian safety. That level of detail makes the output much more focused and usable. Now the settings. Folks, pay attention here. You can set the exact page count and choose your citation style. And this is where it gets interesting. There is an option to enable automatic external source search. The system will find relevant academic papers on its own and include them in your draft. One more thing, additional settings let you switch the output language if needed. Then I hit Generate. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Within a couple of minutes, we have a complete academic draft. Let's take a look at the structure. It is logical, uses clear subheadings, and already reads like a proper paper. This is exactly what you need to get past the fear of the blank page. The good news is that citations are already embedded throughout, and there is a full bibliography at the bottom. The word count at the top shows 684 words, right in line with what we asked for. That said, keep this in mind. Textero is your study assistant, not a replacement for your own thinking. The draft you just generated is a solid foundation, but you still need to personalize it and add your own ideas. That is what responsible use of AI in academic work actually looks like. Now, mates, let's make the draft stronger by adding our own source material. I upload a personal research file, and it lands straight in the library. I hit Save Settings, and the platform tells me the current text will be regenerated, which is exactly what we want. The new version will be built around our notes and data, not just external sources. After reviewing the output, I notice one section needs more depth, so I select that paragraph and use the Continue Writing with AI function. The tool regenerates just that fragment, and a small author tag appears, marking content pulled from our uploaded file. At this point, the draft feels more personal and more grounded in our actual research. Next, let's move to Detect AI. I run the check, and the system comes back with over 99% AI content. That is completely expected for a first draft. The tool built the foundation, and now it is your turn. Use that report as your editing checklist. Paraphrase key points, add your own arguments, and bring in observations only you can provide. Remember, guys, Textero is not a shortcut. It is a smart assistant, and only after your own editing will the text have real value and hold up to any review. I also run the plagiarism check, and as you can see, the result comes back clean, since the text is AI generated rather than copied from existing sources. You can also scroll through the full activity log, every upload, AI check, and plagiarism scan is recorded there in one place. Finally, I click Export and choose the format. Microsoft Word and PDF are both available. The platform generates the file with the correct structure, and all academic references preserved. Okay, folks, time to wrap it up. We just went through the full process, from a blank page to a structured draft built on real academic sources. Textero is a smart assistant that strengthens your knowledge rather than replacing it. It gives you a draft to start from, not a paper to hand in. The editing, the personal voice, the critical thinking, that part is still yours. And that is where the real value of your work comes from. So friends, if academic writing feels like an uphill battle, Textero is worth a try. The free plan gives you enough credits to see whether it fits your workflow. And for those who want unlimited access, you can use the promo code DAN30. And one last thing, what part of writing a paper do you find the hardest? Starting it, structuring it, or tracking down sources? Drop your answers in the comments. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.